president of
I was invited. I will still lie down in the Horn of Africa, and I said I will try all that I can, and I'm very happy that I'm able to join you here today. In spite of the pandemic, in spite of the hard economic situation, in spite of the not so good security condition, let me encourage you and say, getting together in a community, work together with the rest of us to do the best for our collective security, collective improvement of our economy, and for the welfare and well-being of our community is the best thing that we can do. And I want to commend you and congratulate you for getting together here. Yes, let me say this. Anywhere in the world, when things are going wrong, it is also the people of that country who come together. Nobody will come from outside to put things right for us. But the attitude must rise. Our attitude across the country must rise. We must be speaking to ourselves in the language of civilization. It must not be you and we.
Please, you're blocking the way from the microphone. That's why it's not speaking.
It must be all of us. And I will say that as far as I am concerned,
from here,
I will do everything and all things for the unity of my community. Amen. And it must be unity with justice. It must be unity with fairness. It must be unity with every Nigerian feeling a sense of having a stake in Nigeria. And that will be done. We have done it before. There's no reason why we cannot do it again. But we must not giving ourselves dignity and the honor no Nigerian is seen as a slave or as somebody to be oppressed, because these countries belong to all, and we must make our own. Nigeria for Nigerians. All. And I wish you happy celebration, happy getting together, and whatever we can for the good of Nigeria, we must strive to do. We must all strive to do.